In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change portrait to landscape in LibreOffice. If you've ever needed a wider page to fit a table, a wide image, or just to see more text per line, switching your document from portrait to landscape in LibreOffice Writer is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through it slowly so you know exactly where to click, what you're changing, and what to expect afterward. First, open LibreOffice Writer and load the document you want to adjust. You can launch Writer from your applications list, then open your file from the recent files list or by choosing File, then Open. Make sure you're in Writer, the text document module, since these steps are specific to Writer and may look different in other LibreOffice apps like Calc or Impress. With your document open, look to the menu bar at the top of the window. Click Format, then choose Page Style. In some older versions, this might appear simply as Page. The option you want opens the Page Settings dialog. This dialog controls how your pages look, including size, margins, and orientation, and any change you make here affects the page style applied to your document. When the dialog opens, select the Page tab. This tab collects the core layout settings. Find the Orientation section. You'll see two choices, Portrait and Landscape. Portrait is the default tall page. Landscape is the wider horizontal layout. Click Landscape. As soon as you select it, the small preview in the dialog will rotate to show the wider page shape so you can confirm you've chosen correctly. Now click OK to apply your change. Writer will immediately update the document to use landscape orientation. Because we changed the setting at the page style level, your whole document that uses this style will switch to landscape in one go. A few quick tips as you review the result. Content may reflow since the line length is now wider and page breaks can shift. That's normal. Take a moment to scroll through and check headings, tables, and images. If your document already used multiple page styles for different sections, only the edited style changes. In a simple document that uses the default style throughout, everything will be landscape. Also note that margins, headers, and footers remain intact, just adapted to the wider page. And that's it. By opening your document, heading to Format and Page Style, selecting Landscape under the Page tab, and confirming with OK, you've switched the entire document to landscape cleanly and reliably.